What's going on, guys? Yes, I know, completely different background. You don't know what's going on here. Is it even Jesse? Yes, it is. And I'm in the Keys trading and having some fun. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to pass my $150,000 evaluation in 24 hours on two accounts. That's right, two accounts in 24 hours, completely passed. And we're going to go ahead and jump into it. All right, guys. So, what we're going to talk about today, and I know, hey, Jesse, what's that ribbon? Guys, my brother-in-law's best friend's daughter is extremely sick, and if you have at least a couple minutes to throw out a prayer for her, I would really appreciate that. It'd go a long way. So that is what this ribbon is about. Now, let's jump into the nitty-gritty here and get to work. Last week, I put out a poll on YouTube right here in the community section, and I asked you guys if you wanted me to make a video showing you how I was able to pass my evaluation in 24 hours, less than 2 days, really, because I started it on Thursday and I finished it Friday morning. So just 24 hours of trading, and I was able to pass my evaluation. Now, is it funded? No, of course not, because you got to trade with Apex. Link in the description and comment section. 80% off, ends on July 31st. Full 7 days of trading. However, I met the profit target in 24 hours. So now I'm just coasting and knocking down those days, making sure that we can end this nice and safe, which we will, because I dropped it down to trading just the micros. All I got to do is trade the micros for 5 days, and I'm fully done with this thing, okay? And that'll give me another 2 accounts, give me 4 funded accounts, and I ain't stopping there, guys. I'm going to go for more, because why not? Now, here is the chart from Friday. Friday, we had the open of the U.S. stock market. We had initial knee-jerk reaction to the downside after this nice run up. And then I waited around a little bit and decided to get short right here. When we got to 45.76 zone, you see how this was previously resistance right in here, resistance right in here, became support. We came right down into that level, and then we had a quick bounce back, little snap back into this previous little minor support zone. I went ahead and started to scale in short in here, and that was it, guys. Got short in here, added in here, added in here, and then as soon as we got down here to 45.74 zone, I went ahead and covered some more on the drop, re-added here on this push back up here. I re-added. Why did I re-add there? 45.72 zone, we had previous level of support right here in the chart, and that's where I went ahead and added, and then caught this quick little dump here with one more piece of profit, and that was it. Completely out of the trade, and that trade alone was able to put me right back up over the top. See, on Thursday, I had made around 6,000 and change, and then on Friday, 3,000 and change. I'm going to show you the stats right now, and that was all I needed, because you only need $9,000 for the $150,000 account. I was able to do that in 24 hours. So right here, we're going to go ahead and click away, and here you go. Here are my stats here on the month. You can see here, and look, we'll change the calendar here. We'll put it to, what was it? It was the 20th to the 21st. Bang. There you go. So you can't say, oh, Jesse, but you have the whole month there. Yeah, well, there you go. 20th to the 21st, $9,343. Right? And that's all I needed. Now we're going to come down here and you'll see that my losing trades, just 3 minutes, was the longest time frame that I held on to them. Again, 2 minutes on the average. And then my winning trades, 11 minutes I'm holding on to them on average, with my longest one being 20 minutes and 1 second. Okay? You always want to make sure that you're cutting out those losers. You don't want to hold on to those losers. If you hold on to losers, that's when you start to get hurt. You want to hold on to your winners. A lot of times you'll see guys on YouTube talk about all sorts of nonsense of holding their entire positions for huge runs. Well, what if the huge run doesn't come, right? Why would you not book some profits along the way? Some profits, and then hold on to some for the huge run. If the huge run comes, then great. If the huge run doesn't come and you're going to stop out break even on the remainder, just like you would have in your entire position, well, at least you put some money in your pocket. So there it is. 20 minutes, I was able to hold on to these trades because I was scaling out of them, right? 76.19% accuracy. And if we scroll on down here, you'll see my cumulative with fees, nice and steady uptrend. Of course, time of day, 10 a.m., 9:45 to 10 a.m. time, guys. 11 a.m. I hit another one here for 675 bucks. Okay, so now you see here the 20th through the 21st. Now, let me show you just the 21st, Friday. Boom, Friday. So $3,025 after commissions, 2,989, 100% accuracy. Held on to my longest winning trade 7 minutes. Okay, my average time was 5 minutes. There were no losers on that day. So here you go, Friday. You could see here my trades, 100% accuracy. My average winning trade $605. Standard deviation 283, no losers. Let's hop on over to the 20th. And here you go. This was a really nice trade right here. 68% accuracy that day, okay? Largest losing trade was $200. Average losing trade was $91. Average losing time was 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Longest time I held on to a loser was 3 minutes, 27 seconds. Now, if we hop on over here, remember, largest losing, 200. Largest winning, 975 bucks. Average winning, 611. Average losing was 91. Standard deviation, 256. Average winning trade was 14 minutes, 14 seconds. Average losing trade was only 2 minutes, 35 seconds. The longest winning trade time, 20 minutes, 1 second, and the longest losing was 3 minutes, 27 seconds. All right, and again, with the good accuracy here, we scroll on down, you could see my cumulative PNL right in here. You could see my loss here. So that day I went 1 for 2. And you can see I even had some break even there because what I did was I cut out on that first trade some of it at that break even level. All right. And then again, 10 a.m., 11 a.m. Those are my profitable time frames, typically 9:45 to 11. Just once I start to get to 11, 11:30, I don't really do as well, statistically speaking, so I stay away from it and I don't trade during that time frame. But that's it, guys. You saw there, I went over on the chart on one of my trades that I took last week. You saw my statistics here and how I was able to do it. Now, what do I do for the next 5 days? It's very simple, and you can do it too. When you've reached your profit target during the evaluation process, you could just drop down to the micros and trade the micros for the remaining days. And you'll in and out, little scalp here, little scalp there. It won't hurt your account. You hold on to your balance, you hold on to that profit, and you're done. You'll hear a lot of people say, oh, but that's not real trading. Well, who cares? Because your goal when you're in the evaluation is to meet the profit target within the allotted time, and that's it. That's all. Right? You're supposed to protect those gains at that point. You're supposed to protect them. It's not about how much money you can make. It's about making the goal and holding on to it for the allotted time. Now, once you're trading your real funded accounts, well, at that point, it's about how much money you can make, and you want to be a disciplined trader, meaning when you make your money on the day, on the week, on the month, you want to be able to still protect it. So you want to get into those good habits of knowing how to protect your money as well. Guys, there's a ton of noise out there. They're doing all sorts of things. Guys, the way I did 2 accounts at once was with the Tradeovate Copy Trader. That's right. It's very easy to use. It already comes embedded inside the software. You don't need to buy any plugins. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to tinker with anything. All you have to do is set up a group within your accounts and then just use the Copy Trader. That's it. Right where your accounts tab is, click that. You're going to find down there the little tab for the Copy Trader. Click it, set it up. Super easy. Any questions, throw them in the comments section. That's what I use. I traded 2 accounts at once and got both of them funded at once. So you could say I made $18,000 in change instead of $9,000 in change. All right, guys, any questions, drop them in the comment section below for me. I'll be happy to come around and answer them. Remember to check out the link in the description and comment section. You have the link in the coupon code to Apex, 80% off, ends on the 31st. You have my futures course down there. It teaches you how to pass a prop firm evaluation, as well as all the other good stuff like trade ideas. Any questions, let me know. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go jump on that boat right now. Smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on another one.